So, hi Mira. Ayan. So, nirecord ko na lang yung sarili ko para mas maipaliwanag ko yung binigay ko sa yung sample computation. Okay? So, share ko lang yung screen ko para I can show you as well while explaining. Ayan. Alright. So, dito muna tayo sa sample for your age. Okay. Ako, I highly suggest na before you turn 36, mapa-approve na natin. Kasi 1 year difference, sobrang laki rin, no, sa funds. And a year older, baka hindi na natin makuha yung certain amount na ito kasi magkakaroon na ng difference sa computation. Okay. So, first, itong first column na ibinigay ko sa'yo is 3,567 per month. Ay, hindi ko na yan binago. Ano na yan talaga? Yan na yung sagad na. Okay. So, that's 119 lang per day. Parang kung isipin mo, set aside ka lang talaga 100 something a day. 'Di ba? Meron na siyang guaranteed life insurance na 2 million. Okay, coverage niyan hanggang 100 years old. Okay. So, guaranteed na yan, mapupunta sa beneficiary mo. Okay, pwede sa kids, gusto mo, basta immediate family. Okay, ikaw naman magde-decide kung sino. And then, meron na rin siyang kasamang 1 million na total and permanent disability coverage. Okay, in case na ma-disabled, may 1 million na benefit. Okay. And on top of that, meron pang accidental benefit ito na additional 1 million pa. And illness benefit, 1 million as well. So, ano yun? Ibig sabihin, kasama na yung big three natin, cancer, heart attack, stroke. Guaranteed yan, 1 million. Okay. So, meron bang ano yan? Kumbaga, effective ba yan agad? Okay, good question. Right? Yung life insurance and accidental benefit, effective yan immediately. So, ibig sabihin, approve ngayon, may nangyari mamaya, pwede na makaklaim. Okay? So long na hindi naman under the influence of drugs, of alcohol, di naman nag-dangerous sports or self-inflicting harm, di ba? So, immediately effective yung life insurance and accident benefit. Okay, yung critical illness, meron lang itong waiting period na 3 months. Ibig sabihin, from the date of approval, if may nararamdaman kang something sa katawan mo, wag ka na muna magpa-check until the 91st day. Kasi 90 days yung waiting period ng illness. Okay, so maganda wala ka munang records sa hospital regarding anything about kung ano mang related dun sa sakit na critical. Okay, yun. Meron na rin siyang included na waiver on disability. In case ma-disabled tayo, si ProLife na yung magtutuloy or mag-shoulder no premium mo until ka mag-age 60. Okay, just in case lang. May waiver na to. On top of that, meron ka pang hospital reimbursement na 1,000 per day. So, meaning to say, if ma-confine tayo ng 20 days, times 1,000, that's 20,000 pwedeng ma-reimburse. Okay? Surgical, in case na na-surgery, to lump sum to 15,000. Okay? Long-term hospitalization, 31st day onwards, so may additional ka pang 1K na ma-reimburse. Kung halimbawa, 60 days tayo na-confine, 31st day to 60th day, parang 2,000 na yung ma-reimburse mo. Daily hospital income or reimbursement na 1K, tas yung long-term hospitalization naman. Okay? ICU, 2,000 per day of confinement naman. Alright. So, ayan yung first proposal natin, which is 3,500. Okay, punta naman tayo sa investment component. So, aside sa insurance or protection coverage, may bonus pa itong investment. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siya gamitin for your retirement in the future kasi may fund ka dito na tumutubo. Okay? Pero again, investment works magic with time. So, medyo mahaba ang ano yan, parang buto yan ng mangga. Yeah. So it takes years, pero pag yumabong, mumunga, hitik siya. So eto, in 15 years time, hindi pa siya kumikita. Okay, kung papansin mo. But at the age of 60, so after 25 years, no, tama ba? From 35 hanggang mag 60 years old ka. Okay. Tama ba ako ng math? Oh, 25 years. Tama naman. Oh, yung inipon mo or syempre yung straight savings or investment mo na 1,070,100 pesos, yan, tumubo na to 1.5 million. Diba? Di na masama. So, pwede mo siya gamitin pang retirement fund. Kung tuloy-tuloy ka pa man mag-ipon, yung 1.2 mo, papalo pa siya ng 2.2. Diba? So, ganun talaga siya. Okay? That's the first proposal. Alright? Ito namang second one, ano namang difference? Almost the same siya. Bakit siya naging 4,000 per month? Kasi meron tayong added protection coverage here. So, meron tong personal accident. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang murder and assault, additional 500K. Ito yung madalas naming may claim. Accident, medical reimbursement. In case hospital, may medical reimbursement tayo. Bawa, because of accident, katulad na lang ng client namin, nakagat ng aso. 40,000 plus yung nagastos sa injection. So, because meron siya nito, accident medical reimbursement, naka-reimburse siya, na claim niya yon. Yon. So, up to 100,000 ito. So, accidental disability, on top pa yan ng total and permanent disability, 1 million, and renewal bonus. Ibig sabihin, every year, nag-increase ng 5% yung accidental coverage. Yan. Yan naman yung kinaganda. Konting difference lang, 500 or less, more or less 500. Ayan. So, parang 133 pesos a day. So, sumahin mo. Yan. So, again, eto, may bonus to na investment component. Since mas mataas siya ng konti na 500, kung mapapansin mo, mas mataas din yung kanyang investment component. So, kung titignan mo dito, yung at age 60 na invested mong premium, 1.7 million. Diba? Yung 1.4 mo at age 65, 2.6 million. Alright? So, yun naman. Ngayon, sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not, medyo dagdagan natin ng 500K. Kalahating million yung life insurance mo. So, if gagawin natin siyang 2.5 million, pati lang yung difference. So, 300 pesos. Diba? So, tumaas yung life insurance mo, tumaas din yung investment component mo. So, parang napunta lang din dito. 1.8 and 2.7. Diba? So, halagang 300 pesos, may 500K ka na difference here sa life insurance guaranteed benefit. Tapos, tataas din yung investment component. Baka lang gusto mo. Okay? So, ganun kasi siya eh. Pag mataas premium, mataas return. Pag mataas premium, mataas yung benefit. Ayan. So, meron pa tayong mga ibang plans, pero sa sa affordability or sa budget mo, ito yung swak na swak talaga. Ito yung actually bestseller namin. Ito rin yung una sa policies ko na this is flexible plan, continuous plan. So, ipon ka lang ng ipon hanggang gusto mo. Okay? So, punta naman tayo dun sa partner mo. Okay. So, kay partner, since 48 years old siya, kung mapapansin mo, medyo malaki talaga yung difference pagdating sa coverage and sa investment. So, sa halagang 3.5, almost same sa'yo, 800K na lang talaga yung kaya. And hindi ko na siya malagyan ng hospitalization and surgical sa ganitong amount. Okay? So, yan na yon, 800K sagad na. Ngayon, if gusto mo medyo significant, like gawin nating 1 million sarado, may difference na siya na 1.5. So, 5,000 na siya per month. Pero ang maganda dyan, syempre, may investment component naman. Diba? Kahit pa paano, nakakaipon. Itong 5,000, meron din siyang 1,000 na per day of confinement na reimbursement and surgical reimbursement na 50K. Okay? Ngayon, tinry ko siyang laruin. Actually, etong 7-1, pwede itong 15-year plan. 15-year plan. Ibig sabihin, compressed yung term in 15 years, tapos na siya. So, ang maganda dyan, investment heavy ito. So, kung mapapansin mo, yung 1.2 in 15 years, 1.7 na. 'Di ba? At age 67 niya, 1.2, ayan, 2.3. And yung 1.2 niya, 2.5 na at age 68. Ayun. So, yan yung para naman sa partner mo. Okay? So, ano pa ba yung mga iba pang questions? Critical illness and disability, ang coverage niyan hanggang age 70. Accidental, ang coverage niya hanggang 73. Okay? Life insurance, as I mentioned kanina, up to age 100. Alright? So, yun yung ating quotation, sample quotations for you and your partner. So, let me know if may questions ka. And baka ang question mo, paano naman mag-apply? Yan, madali lang naman, basta may government ID ka. Ikaw na bahala kung anong mode gusto mo, pwedeng monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual. Okay, initial, minimum natin, at least meron kang pang-open ng account na first month. Okay, kung monthly ang gusto mo. Kung gusto mo ng quarterly, edi first 3 months, yung pang-open mo ng account. Okay? Prepare mo lang sa GCash mo. We can submit the application online naman kahit di na tayo magkita. Guide na lang kita. And I'll have you fill up or fill out yung forms na pwede kong magamit for the submission ng application and of course your government ID. Okay? Ganun lang. Sobrang easy, no hassle. And sabi mo nga healthy ka naman, wala naman tayo magiging problema sa approval. Bilis lang yan. Baka same day, approve na tayo. So ako, again, I suggest before ka mag-birthday, submitted na natin siya para hindi mag-recompute yung quotation. Okay? So, yun. Yun lang. So, I hope nakatulong tong video ko and see you soon. Let me know kung kailan ka available at kung may iba ka pang questions, I'll be happy to assist and guide you. Okay? So, thank you, Mira. Have a nice day.